TikTok ad tutorials for beginner. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can use TikTok ads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on ads.tiktok.com, and what we're going to do over here is we're going to go ahead and sign up. Now to sign up, all you got to do is click on get started over here. You can even get started with your own TikTok account. So I'm an advertiser, I'm going to select that option and I'm going to click on get started. Overall process of signing up onto TikTok ads is actually pretty simple. And why did it take me down all the way over here? All right, so I got to sign up over here. So enter in your email address and password and you should be good to go. I already have an account, I believe, so I'm going to go ahead and click on login, and you can log in with your TikTok account as I said before. So click on login with TikTok, click on continue, and you should be good to go. Give it a couple of seconds to load up, and once you've done that, you are good to go. It's going to take you over here. We're immediately jumped into the campaign where we create the ads, but I want to show you, I want to leave over here and I want to show you the dashboard, go over a bunch of tools and some features, overall show you the UI, and then we'll move on to the campaign section. So here is going to be your dashboard. You can see right here potential audience. You can see the age groups. All right, 25 to 34 is going to be 27, which is quite high. We've got 35, 14. This is like potential audience. These are like the top ads that are performing well right now while in the United States, and we can set up payments, add billings, and create our first ad. So we need to complete these 3 steps before. We have to add the billing information, add your own credit card or any other billing information that you have, add a payment method as well, and then create your first ad. Once you've done that, you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and create your campaigns. Over here you can see you have some options like campaign, tools, analytics, and GMV max. Underneath tools, you're going to find all the tools that you would possibly need. Like underneath audience, you've got audience manager and comments, you've got creative library, instant page, video editor as well. You've got automated rules, catalog, events, labs, and Pingle band safety, mission manager, and many, many more, right? These are some of the tools that you would actually need in order to create creatives and run your ads. So it's a good thing to get familiar with them. And then you should be ready to go ahead and create your campaign. So click on campaign and we're going to go ahead and get started with it. And here you can see there's nothing over here. It's empty. We haven't created anything, and we can create it by clicking on the create button right here on the left corner right here. Or what you can do is go back and click on the create button right here at the start. So click on create ad, and it's going to take you again to the campaign manager where you can create your campaign and start creating your ads. Now, when you create your ad, you're going to have to set a goal for you, whether it's more reach, more views, more sales, more conversions, whatever it is, you can go ahead and select that over here. So what I want is video views, so I'll select that, and this is going to be the campaign name with the date and everything. So 2025, and today is 2022. I don't know what this is, but I'll get rid of that. That is going to be the name. Then you can go ahead and set a specific category if you have one, like housing, employment, or credit. Since we want views, this does not apply. We're going to leave it at this it is. Then we have the campaign budget. Over here, you're going to set your daily limit. All right. So at least it's going to be 50, but I would recommend going and spending a little bit less than that, just to test the waters, see how it feels if, if the ad is working and you're not just wasting your money. So once you figure that out, you can go ahead and increase the budget later on. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and put 20 in it. And okay, so usually they would allow me to, other ad managers would allow me to put a smaller number than the recommended one, but I guess this does not. So I'll guess I will have to go with 50. Then click on continue. Got it. This is going to be the ad group, right? So over here again, the date, I'm just simply going to get rid of the other ones. And this is going to be the TikTok feed. You can select placement, whether or not in feed or in search. If you click on advanced, you can use user comments, allow video download, allow video sharing. All right. Okay. I'm going to keep all of them on. We have the saved audience. If you have one, you can go ahead and select one. Then you have demographic. This is the most important part. Select the demographic that you want to attract, or your audience falls into. So I'm going to select this age group, both genders, language should be all, and also instead of location just being United States, you got to go ahead and specify it, right? Specify it as much as possible, but don't get too specific, otherwise it won't work. But don't go too broad as well. So underneath, United States, let's say we want Idaho. Click on Idaho and we select all of the main options that we get. Maybe we select Florida. All right, then we go ahead and select the Palm Beach area, and also the Miami area, right? And let's also get the Hillsborough. So you can see now it is narrow, so that's why we should go ahead and select other options as well. Like for example, in Kentucky, we go with Fayette, and underneath Louisiana, yeah, we'll go with all of Louisiana. So now you can see it's a little bit more narrow. It's going to cost more. So it should be somewhere in the middle, not too narrow, not too broad, right? So let's go ahead and select New York and New Mexico or New Jersey as well. So now it's a little bit better. So I like that. So now we're going to leave it at that. Then you have audience inclusion. And also you can even set household income as well. So let's say you want to target the top 1% or a specific income group because your products are a little bit expensive or a little bit, broader or cheaper. Then you want to target that specific market. You can also select that as well. You can also include specific audiences and keywords over here. You can select interest behaviors, devices as well. So which phones? So let's say you're selling iPhone cases, then of course you would want to target people with iPhone. So makes sense, right? So select that. And then once you've done that, you should be good to go. After that, you're going to have to set the budget and scheduling. So if you want, you can schedule it. If you want, you can, start it at once. You can go with the billing section as well. And once everything is done, you just simply click on continue. And next is going to be the creative section where you go ahead and add the creative video itself. So click on creative or upload the video. Click on upload. I say this is the video that we want. We'll select that. Click on fix uploaded video. It's going to upload. So give it a couple of seconds. All right. So it doesn't match the aspect ratio. So it's saying to fix it. So let's see whether or not it fixes itself, or do we need to go ahead and fix it manually? So let's go ahead and fix that. See whether or not, it works. All right, so it's now fixed and we can continue. So we'll click on continue. This is how the video would look like over here. Give it a couple of seconds to upload. You can add the text over here or a call to action button if you prefer, but if not, you can leave it as it is. And then you can add creative add-ons as well, like, select like super like or display card or story section if you want. This ad contains AI. No, it does not. By checking this box, you agree. After that, and then you just simply click on publish and you should be good to go. There is one error. Text. I do need to add the text, but that's fine. You already know what you need to add over here. But after that, you just simply click on publish and then you add your payment methods and set up billings so that you can pay for the ads and then it'll run. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you set up ads. And that's how you use TikTok Ad Manager. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.